Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will discuss about history and some facts associated with Valentine's Day. 1 month of this year has already passed and February is about to start, which brings those days which couple may admire and singles may wish for the same. So let's get started. Saint Valentine's Day fall on February 14th of each year. Although the name is Saint Valentine's Day, most people refer to the day as Valentine's Day or even the feast of Saint Valentine. Do you know? It was originally a day to celebrate Saint Valentinus, who performed wedding for soldiers who were not allowed to marry. He was imprisoned for this, as well as for ministering to Christians. Saint Valentinus wrote a letter to the daughter of his jailer before he was executed. His letter was signed, "From your Valentine." He was buried on 14th February, and in the beginning, Valentine's Day was not associated with romance, love until the Middle Age. By the 1700s in England, or you may say in the beginning of 18th century, in England, it began to resemble the Valentine's Day we know today. At this time, lovers began to express their love with gifts of flowers, candy, and cards, which were called Valentines. So now, let's get started with some amazing facts associated with Valentine's Day. Do you know? On Valentine's Day, every year, there are at least 36 million heart-shaped boxes of chocolate sold. On average, men spend double the amount of money on Valentine's Day gift than women spend. The average amount of men spend is $130. And to meet expectation of couples, there are enough candy hearts made each year to stretch from Valentine, Arizona to Rome, Italy, and back again. The number of these candy hearts produced is approximately 8 billion. There are approximately 50 million roses given on Valentine's Day around the world. Women tend to buy approximately 85% of all the Valentine's Day cards sold. Valentine's Day is second most popular day of the year for sending cards, second only to Christmas. There are approximately 1 billion Valentine's Day card exchange every year in the US alone. And another amazing fact is, approximately 27% of those who buy flowers on Valentine's Day are women. The only 73% are men. And do you heard the phrase to bear your heart on your sleeve has historical meaning? In the Middle Ages, young people would draw the name of their Valentine from a bowl. They had to wear the name on their sleeve for 1 week. And do you know? Every Valentine's Day, the Italian city of Verona receives approximately 1000 letters that have been addressed to Juliet. This is where Romeo and Juliet, the young lovers in Shakespeare's play, lived. And do you know who invented the first Valentine's Day candy box? So, it was invented by Richard Cadbury in the late 19th century. On Valentine's Day, 1876, Alexander Graham Bell applied for his telephone patent. And do you know? Cupid is the son of Venus, was the god of beauty and love. And do you know? Approximately 15% of women send themselves flowers on Valentine's Day. In 1537, King Henry VIII declared that February 14 was a holiday. King Henry VIII had most of his wives executed because they did not give birth to a son. He may seek unparalleled knowledge of biology. But anyways, do you know? At least 9 million people buy their pets a gift on Valentine's Day. In the Middle Ages, superstition said that if you were single, you would end up marrying the first single person of opposite sex that you met on Valentine's Day. So single fellow like me, don't be disappointed. And there another amazing fact about Valentine's Day, that penicillin was introduced on February 14th in 1929. And if we talk about Saint Valentine, so after Saint Valentine was buried, Julia, the daughter of his jailer, planted an almond tree with pink blossom near his grave. The almond tree today is a symbol of lasting friendship and love. So now I want to ask this question to you, that what you are planning to do on Valentine's Day? No need to answer. But anyways, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to leave your beloved comment on comment section. Until then, see you in the next video.